Alright, this is a tutorial on how to make lock picking tools. The tension wrench and the lockpick. So for a tension wrench, what I do, I know it's bad quality, my bad, whatever. I break it off a pen and just bend this end right here to fit in the bottom of the lock. And then for this, take tweezers and break it, and then curve the end up, and then you got yourself lockpicking stuff. And I'll show you how it works. So, take your lockpick, put your tension wrench in there, like that. You push down. It's kind of hard to do while holding the camera. You just work it until you can get the goddamn. Never mind.